Hello friends, welcome to Quant Question of the Day. The strength of a salt solution is P% if 100 ml of solution contains P grams of salt. Each of three vessels ABC contains 500 ml of salt solution of strengths 10%, 22% and 32% respectively. Now 100 ml of solution in vessel A is transferred to vessel B. Then 100 ml of solution in vessel B is transferred to vessel C. Finally, 100 ml of solution in vessel C is transferred to vessel A. The strength in percentage of resulting solution in vessel A is. We can solve this question using concept of alligation. So we will make alligation first of all for two solutions A and B. Concentration of solution A is 10% and concentration of solution B is given in the question 22%. We are mixing 100 ml of A to 500 ml of B. The resulting solution will have a concentration of say X%, so we have to calculate this X. We can easily calculate this X using this concept, multiplying these two numbers, 10 and 100. So we can write it as 10 multiplied by 100 plus 22 multiplied by 500, multiply these two. So 22 multiplied by 500 divided by, now addition of these two, 100 plus 500. So this gives me 1000 plus 11,000 divided by 600, which is equal to 12,000 divided by 600, which is equal to 20. So we can say concentration of this is 20%. Now the question says 100 ml of solution in B is transferred to C. So we will make an alligation for B and C. Concentration of this is 20% and concentration of C is 32%. We are taking 100 ml of this and we are mixing to 500 ml of C. Let resulting concentration of solution be some Y%. Now we can calculate value of Y again by using the same concept that we used earlier. Multiply these two numbers, 20 multiplied by 100. 20 multiplied by 100 plus multiply these two, 32 multiplied by 500 divided by addition of these two. So 100 plus 500. Now this finally gives me 2000 plus 16,000 divided by 600, which is 18,000 by 600, that is 30. So we can say value for this is 30. That means concentration of mixture of B and C is 30%. Now the question says finally 100 ml of solution in C is transferred to A. So now we will make an alligation for C and A. Concentration of mixture C is 30% as we have calculated earlier, and that of A is 10%. We are mixing 100 ml of C to 400 ml of A because 100 ml was already taken from A in the first case. Let Z% be the final concentration. Now the Z can be calculated again by using the same concept that we used earlier. Multiply these two numbers. So 30 multiplied by 100 will be 3000 plus multiply these two. 10 multiplied by 400 will give me 4000 divided by addition of these two numbers, that is 500. So this gives me 7000 by 500, that is 14%. So we can say the concentration of final solution will be 14%. Hence answer to this question will be option A. So that is how we can get the answer for this question. Thank you.